Hey there, my name is Sheldon. I'm a product manager here at Aurascape, and welcome to the Lightboard Series. Today we're going to talk about conversations. Let's look at these two examples. These are two prompts that your security solution has picked up. One says self-harm, the other says John Smith. And of course, as you might have expected, your solution probably marked this as a little bit concerning and completely disregarded this, right? And let's look at why prompt level visibility is completely insufficient in the age of Gen AI. Let's take this as an example, right? It says John Smith. Let's scroll back a little bit and see what actually happened right before the end user sent this, right? Because it's a conversation with a Gen AI tool. It turns out the previous prompt said something like this. Patient has rare cancer. Make a plan. And then the Gen AI tool, of course, said, what's the name of the patient? In this context, you will see that a clear HIPAA violation has occurred. The only reason that your solution cannot detect it today is because the HIPAA violation happened not in one contiguous prompt, but in two different prompts. If you have the visibility of the full conversation, you will understand that this is obviously not okay. You should have obviously prevented your end user from having this conversation, or at least reminded them that this could potentially cause a HIPAA violation. Meanwhile, let's look at this conversation. It turns out, right before this end user said self-harm, the last prompt says, write a blog about SLFHAR prevention day. And then the Gen AI tool just had a big question mark because they didn't understand what SLFHAR is. Classic typo. And in this context, you will see that not only is this not a concerning conversation, this is a totally valid and in fact encouraged way for many of your end users to actually use Gen AI tools to unlock their day-to-day productivity. And these two examples illustrate a perfect reason why you need conversation level visibility in the age of AI, because all Gen AI interactions that are happening within the context of these conversations. Your existing solutions, by examining single prompts, which by the way, the responses are also completely off limit for their decoding these days, will not be able to adjudicate correct security decisions based on prompt level visibility alone. Think about situations like threat infiltration. The threat actor will be using multiple prompts and multiple responses to start manipulating your system. So without this context of what is happening in the contiguous conversation, no security solution is sufficient in the age of AI. For Aurascape, on the other hand, this comes out of the box on day one. In Aurascape, the way that our system makes decisions and the way that we present these solutions and these forensics for your security team and analyst teams to actually analyze is exactly packaged in these conversations so that you have no ambiguity in terms of the precise context in which these Gen AI activities happen. This level of correlation today not only is impossible for the vast majority of security solutions, will take some security analyst a huge amount of time going through all of these different logs trying to piece together the kind of context. With this conversation level visibility, Aurascape provides superior visibility, superior security operations, and just provides overall better security posture for all things AI related. Because in the age of AI, we're constantly having conversations with these tools. It's time for your security solutions to understand these conversations as well. Thank you so much.